Hey, what's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will back again, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, hey, boy got rhymes. It's a ride along, and I'm riding along with this one right here. This one is Aqva Amara. This bottle is so reflective, and the name is like right there. You can barely see it, but this one, the ones that's from the back in the day, it's discontinued now. So, and if you find it, it's going to be way, way, way too expensive. But I'm gonna rock out to it today and see how well it does. See if I can get any good vibes from it. I haven't worn it in a while, obviously, because it's really a spring and the summer kind of scent, but it is very strong. So let's see what we could do with it. That's my favorite, my sprays. And oh, right now it is 10:58, almost 11 o'clock. And as you can see, it's supposed to be a hot day today. Let me see if I can get this. Oh man, it is 85 degrees. 85 degrees already. So it's going to be a steamer today. And it's so early. So roll with me. Let's check this fragrance out, see how it does. Back in. I'm doing a little update. Right now it is 1:15. I don't know if that's gonna come in. 1:15 and it is 89 degrees now. And the fragrances, it's died down a little bit. It's not as jumping off the skin as it was in the beginning. It's now more, to me, it smells like it's better. I like the way it's vibing now, instead of, because that first, when you first spray it on for the first 45 minutes or whatever, it's kind of jumping off and it's a little screechy, little harsh. It's not bad, it's just a little harsh. But now it's a little more subtle and it's vibing a little bit. I'm about to go out in this hot weather, so it might start jumping on my skin a little bit more, but I'll give you an update on that later. All right, keep rolling with me. All right, so back in, doing another check-in. It is now 3:55 and it is 91 degrees. Let's see if I can get that show up. 91 degrees and it's hot, but the fragrance has kind of faded quite a bit. I still smell it. It's still on my skin, but it's really, really close to the skin. Out with some friends and they saying they can't smell me unless I, if my arm is right up to their face. So I don't know if that's because I've gone nose blind to it or they've gone nose blind to it or what, but that's what it is. But yes, it's really hot today. It's not too humid. The temperature is high, but it's not like it's a moist kind of heat, you know what I mean? Because when you had that, sometimes the fragrance will dissipate a little bit quicker. So I don't know, maybe it's just it's not as good as I thought it was. But anyway. All right, so I will do another check-in. Oh, it's, yeah, like I said, it's 3:57 right now, so I'll probably do another check-in. It has been already a few hours, so for it to still be on my skin, it's actually doing pretty good, actually. All right, I'll do a check-in in a little bit. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am back in and it's late now. It's real late. I got back in and we decided to do a little cookout, so that's what I'm doing now. Hence the bib and everything. But right now it is 8:05 and the temperature did drop back down. It's now 84 degrees. So Hey, what was that? Okay, so it's 84 degrees now, but the fragrance, it kind of dissipated. It was pretty much gone after like the last check-in. It was probably lasted maybe another hour, so it probably lasted to about 5 o'clock. And once that died out, it was completely gone. But after that check-in, I did go to the gym, so I ended up sweating a lot. So that probably helped with the scent being dissipated. So yeah, so that's all I have for you. Oh, let me go get the notes and wrap it up and show you the fragrance again. I'll be right back. So I'm back in, and here's the fragrance again, just to give you a view of the bottle. It is Bvlgari is on the front. I'm not sure if that's going to come up because it's so reflective. And then on the back, it has the Aqva Amara name on it. I'm not sure if that, oh, maybe a little bit. And so, whew, pardon the smoke. Like I said, I am cooking out right now. Um, yes, it smells good. It's like a strong aquatic note. So let's go through the notes. The top notes are Sicilian Mandarin. The middle notes are watery notes, just regular watery notes, neroli, and then that was the middle notes, and then in the base notes we have olapnum and Indonesian patchouli leaf. So say all that to say that it smells like a strong watery fragrance. It's not like one of the blue fragrances that we get out right now. It's more of like a it smells like water, like waves crashing up against the rocks. Yeah, but it's a strong scent. It smells good, especially the first hour or so. It projects really strong and it comes off really strong. But after that, it kind of gets a little closer to the skin, and I would say after about 3 hours, I don't know if it will be able to be detected by somebody else if you're walking by, because I was around people today and I didn't get any compliments or anything, except for when I first put it on. I was told that it smelled pretty good. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for hanging out with me, going along with this ride along. I know it's a little bit different. I had a little extra stuff going on. But anyway, ride along with Aqva Amara. It's a good one, but it's discontinued now. And it was launched back in 2014. I don't know if I said that before. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.